Do you sometimes find it hard to see the text on buttons on your phone? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a helpful feature called highlight buttons that makes the text on buttons clearer and easier to read. Here's how to turn it on. While your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Look for highlight button and then toggle to turn it on. To see the result, go to the screen where it shows button. As you can see, now you will see the text on buttons is clearer and easier to recognize. Why use this feature? Because it helps people who have trouble seeing or reading small text on buttons. It makes using your phone easier and more comfortable, especially if you are reading in bright light or if your eyesight is not perfect. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.